Welcome back. Extreme summer temperatures are an invitation for waterborne diseases, and poor indoor air quality due to hot dusty winds is the leading cause for allergies. So it's definitely the time to invest in a new water and air purifier if you haven't already done so. Here's a quick buying guide. Staying cool this summer is not the only thing you need to worry about as you go about your daily chores or to work. Safeguarding yourself from waterborne diseases should be your other big worry. Already, according to the United Nations, India is just 2 spots short of being the worst in the world when it comes to the quality of water available to its citizens, ranking 120th among 122 nations.
The municipalities are supplying water with chlorine to remove bacteria and virus and give you clean water. Unfortunately, our waters have become impure with dissolved impurities like pesticides, arsenic, fluoride. These waters need to be cleaned and need to be purified before they become fit for drinking. So water purifier is today essential to take care of your health.
So if these toxic facts have scared you enough, it's time to switch to a more technologically advanced water purification system. Hindustan Unilever's Purit offers a diverse range of water purifiers across both technologies of reverse osmosis and ultraviolet purification.
We have the most sleek device which we've just recently launched, Purit Ultima, which is a completely electronic device. Its design and aesthetics are very similar to what we see in LCD and LED TVs, refrigerators, mobile phones. It has electronic components in it for the first time. We've never seen a water purifier in this market where there has been electronics components which have been built into a purifier, and it has a real-time indicator which basically constantly tests for the quality of input water and recalibrates itself to give an output water of the same as per prescribed standard.
All Purit devices come with an auto shut-off, which is an advanced alert system which notifies the user that the purifier needs servicing. Purit's water purifiers are also unique because they cater to all budgets.
Overall, if you look at the Purit portfolio, the level of cleanliness of providing safe drinking water remains the same whether you buy a 1,500 rupee Purit purifier or you buy a 21,000 rupee Purit Ultima.
Also in the market is Kent, which specializes in RO water purifiers. RO purifiers are very effective in removing dissolved impurities like chemicals, rusts, salts of heavy metals, pesticides, bacteria and viruses present in water. But the reverse osmosis process can be so intense that many dissolved minerals essential for the human body also get flushed out. And that also makes the RO water bitter in taste. The pores of the RO membrane also loosen up over time, rendering the process ineffective in the long run. But Kent's products have overcome these limitations with their patented mineral RO technology that combines RO, ultraviolet radiation and ultrafiltration.
We use one of the best technologies, which are our patented technologies. Our process is not only reverse osmosis followed by UV purification. So the 2 purifiers built in one, and we keep the minerals intact. So the technology is superior. The second advantage comes is certification. Every consumer is going to say that my product is the best and it is the best in the world. But saying myself has no meaning. It has to be third-party certification. So we have gone for certification from NSF as well as WQA. Both organizations are the world leaders in the US.
But before you hit the stores to pick up a water purifier, first study the quality of water in your home. If there are high levels of TDS, that is total dissolved solids in your input water, then go in for the RO technology. If the TDS levels are manageable, then a UV purifier is sufficient. Also, RO water purifiers are much more efficient at making hard water sweet. UV purifiers come in the range of 6,000 to 7,000 rupees, and RO purifiers are priced anything between 15,000 to 20,000 rupees. Along with water purifiers, the market in India is also opening up to air purifiers. Sharp India has launched air purifiers equipped with plasma cluster ion technology, which claims that it can create forest fresh air in your home.
Because of the very low ion density in offices and homes and also on the streets, we do not breathe fresh air and we feel tired. So Sharp's plasma cluster ion technology, it creates positive and negative ions, hydrogen and oxygen ions, of the same density and the same level that you can find in a forest or a park.
So make an informed choice with whatever product you buy and choose to drink healthy and breathe healthy this summer. Vasudha Sharma, NDTV. It's time for some aromatherapy on the show. We all want our homes to smell sweet and fresh after we come back home after a long tiring day. And in summers especially, the challenge of fighting odors is tough. But there's always a way out. Here's how you can infuse aroma into your life. The first smell of a house when you enter sets the first impression about you. So fill your home with the exotic fragrance of potpourri, which is simply made up of dried flowers and herbs. They are pretty to look at, so you can place them in a glass bowl on your center table. Our next tip for you is to use reed diffusers to spread essential oils into the air. Reed diffusers are glass bottles filled with oil and thin sticks that diffuse the aroma into the air. You can beautify your diffuser bottle by adding colored stones or beads to the bottom of the container. Another useful tip to transform the aura of your home is to use scented candles. Aromatherapy candles come in floral, tropical or woody notes, which fill the air when you burn them. Bathrooms or bedrooms, just the flicker of a scented candle can relax the environment. And of course, incense sticks are the easiest and the cheapest way to have your home smelling completely divine. But be careful how you place them when they are burnt. Go for incense burners made of ceramic or brass. And the high-tech in-home fragrances are electric fragrance warmers. They are oil lamps that come with a halogen light, which burns the oil to diffuse scent into the air. Since it is electric, you can control how much scent or light you want. This week's Celebrity Home belongs to one of India's top fashion designers, Reena Dhaka. Her Delhi home is the perfect summer abode, designed for ample natural light and air. And the artwork displayed in her home is a true reflection of Reena Dhaka's design philosophy. Take a look.
Fashion designer Reena Dhaka's sprawling house welcomes you with a landing awash with natural light. Through these wide glass windows, not only does the sunlight stream in all through the day, but one can see the greenery outside from the comfort of home. The house is designed and furnished based on one idea: simplicity. The hallway displays the art-loving side of Reena's personality. In the living room, everything spells pristine and white. The white covers on the couches and a quirky white chandelier reflect all the natural light that fills up the room. White accents like this beautiful coffee table with a pearly sheen give a very serene and calm feel to the room.
Reena, first of all, I must tell you, this is a beautiful home you have over here, but it's fairly large, so you're cooling and keeping it well lit, it must be a challenge. So how do you keep your energy consumption down?
Learn to improve ourselves and our ability to save the earth, whether it's by moving to CFLs, which is a practical way to try and opt for lighting over yellow lights, as well as the fact that yes, shut off the lights. I personally believe one should shut all, for at least a good 10 minutes, all applicants, just basically shut your mains off per day in your house for even just 10 minutes to conserve the energy load in your home and then further in your environment.
Reena is a practicing Buddhist, and that is obvious from the way she has chosen to decorate her house. Idols of Buddha are her favorite way of utilizing an empty space. One can even spot a Buddha peeking from behind the flowers and greenery. The house is full of light, but greenery around it keeps it from getting too hot. Reena is also a big believer of rainwater harvesting and any other way of saving energy.
To opt for the old-fashioned cassette style of an air conditioner, because you can turn them off when not in use, versus a central air conditioning, though it looks glorious, but it's very high on consumption of electricity. Then, of course, I found that water harvesting has been a very useful, handy, workable phenomenon. We've tried it in our homes, and it's working.
Rena's home is a great way of learning how to live beautifully and still keep your power bills under check. From New Delhi, Anjali Istwal for NDTV.
Thank you for staying with us on Property It's Hot. The next 2 weekends, you can look forward to our exclusive destination specials. We'll be headed to the south this time. So make sure you tune in every Saturday at 9 a.m. and Sunday at 11 a.m. and 8 p.m. only on NDTV Prime. Take care and goodbye.